Hello there, it's Rochelle, and I want to share with you today a very quick, easy, and delicious recipe that is also kid-friendly. And this recipe will be chocolate avocado pudding that I made in my blender today. So to start off, you will need 2 avocados. And as you can see, I am pushing the skin with my thumb and it bounces back a little bit. Also, when you take the stem off, it should be green underneath. That tells you that this avocado is ready. Here I'm just dicing my avocado up into big chunks so that it will blend a little easier in my blender. Alright, so I'm adding everything to the blender at this point. There's my avocado going in. Next will be my cocoa powder. Make sure you use unsweetened cocoa powder so that you can control the sweetness, or replace your sugar with any other sweetener that you like, which could be maple syrup or honey. Next, I'm adding in some soy milk. You can also replace the soy milk with some almond milk. And then finally, some vanilla extract. And then I will just give it all a good blending. Okay guys, so here I am just pushing down the avocado and chocolate from the side and also making sure that the chunks will go towards the blade. I don't have the best blender in the world, that's why I have to do this. However, you can also make this with your food processor, or if you have like a Ninja blender, that actually might be better. So here is the final product. It is very creamy. It looks just like, regular chocolate pudding, and it most definitely tastes really good, if not just as good. So like I said at the beginning, this is an extremely quick recipe. I mean, it took me less than 10 minutes to prepare this chocolate pudding. You can double it, make as much as you want, chill it in the fridge, serve it to your kids, or take it to a gathering, top it with any type of toppings you want, like fruit or some toasted coconut. That might be good. So thank you again for watching my video. I really hope you enjoy it. I absolutely love avocados. I love making new things with avocados. Leave a comment below if you try this recipe, or if you have an avocado related recipe or idea you would like me to try or make. Just let me know. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, bye bye.